Hi, I'm Derek, and in this video we're going to have a look at how the RDP simplification process for lines work. It is an efficient algorithm to make complicated line segments into a simplified format where it removes as many points as it can get away with still keeping the original shape in place. Let's dive straight in. We set out with our 9 points here. In order to run a simplification algorithm, we will draw a line between the two outmost points. Then from all the other points that we have, we'll pick the one that lays away the furthest from this central line. 27mm, 35. The other two I can see they're smaller, so we don't bother with those. And this one is 28. Now we know that the furthest away is the one here that is 35. Now, is this more than our epsilon, which we'll pick in this case at say 15? So if our point, the furthest away, is further away than our epsilon, which it is, because 35 is larger than 15, then we'll keep the point. Now, the second stage is to do the same thing for the two segments that we now have. So I'll do the first one first. And because there's only 1 point left here, we can quite easily calculate the distance. We only have to do this once. It helps if I use centimeters. This one is now 46. 46 is also further than our epsilon, so we'll also keep the point. Now we are done with this section, but we still have the second one. We'll draw a line again, and we look at the distance of all the other points. This one is 16, this one is 10, 15, and this one is also 15. The one that is furthest away is our 16. 16 is more than 15, our epsilon, so we'll keep the point. This section is already empty, so we'll now look at the next one. So let me draw this again, the line between the points. And we calculate the distance for the others again. This one is now only 2. This one is now 25. And this one is 23. This one, the 25, is the furthest one, so that's the point we'll have to look at. It is larger than 15, so we'll keep it. Now we can iterate again and do the two segments that we have left. Let me draw the lines between them. For the first segment, let's see how far our point is away. And we see it's now 13 away. There's only 1 point left, so that's what we can look at. We know that 13 is less than 15, so we now remove this point. If there were any other points left in this line segment, we could also discard them, because we know that the one that is the furthest, if that's less than the epsilon, then all the others must be less than this number as well. So I'll remove this one. Now we'll look at the other segment as well, and we'll measure the point to the difference. And this is now 7. 7 is also less than 15, so we'll also remove this point. The outer 2 points we always keep. And now we have eliminated some of the points, which means we can draw our new line segment, our simplified line. Between all the points that we kept. And this is the example on how the RDP algorithm works. And here we have it, an explanation of the Ramer Douglas Peucker algorithm. I hope you enjoyed this, and I'll see you next time.